Remove the 3 screws on the side of the cartridge. Compatible cartridges made in China may be slightly different. Remove the 2 screws on the other side of the cartridge. Cut the seal if present. Remove the side cover. Remove the other side cover. Separate the 2 halves of the cartridge, toner section and drum section. Remove the drum with its metal rod. The drum is probably reusable. Be careful to hold the drum so it does not become damaged. Remember that the light may damage the drum. Remove the charge roller. This part of the cartridge contains the waste toner. Remove all the toner contained on it. It's not necessary to remove the wiper blade. The wiper blade is probably reusable. If you want to remove the wiper blade, remove the 2 screws. Be careful not to damage the recovery blade that is located next to the wiper blade. Remove the toner roller with the gear. Clean out all the remaining toner from the cartridge. It's better to use compressed air. If possible, use a toner workstation. The best you clean the cartridge, the best quality you'll have. Do not breathe the toner dust. The drum has a metal rod. If you want to change the drum, remove the metal rod from this side. Reinsert the metal rod into the new drum from this side. If you reuse the drum, clean it with isopropyl alcohol. For more information on how to clean a drum, in the description of the video you'll find a link to a video on this topic. Using a cotton swab, clean the edge of the toner roller blade so there is not evidence of build-up along the edge. This metal blade controls the amount of toner on the toner roller. This is the position of the gears in case one of them falls. Clean the charge roller with water. Install the charge roller, the longer part toward left. Install the drum. Lubricate the drum with toner or the wiper blade may damage it. Turn the drum by hand several times to make sure it doesn't flip the blade. Gently clean the toner roller with a soft cloth. You can use isopropyl alcohol mixed with water. Install the toner roller. This is the position of the metal spring. Hold the end of the toner roller so that no toner spills out. Fill the cartridge with around 60-70 grams of toner. A Samsung toner will probably work, but I haven't tried it yet. Replace the cap and check for leaks. Turn the toner roller by hand several times to make sure it's correctly installed and there are no spots on the surface. join the two parts of the cartridge. This cartridge has a chip. It will send an error message after a certain number of prints. It has to be replaced each time. Or you can install a software and reset it. The link of the software is in the description. Reinstall the side cover. The two screws. The metal rod on this side has a groove. You have to insert it into the right side cover. Install the 3 screws and the work is done. For any problem with the cartridge, in the description you will find a link to a troubleshooting guide.